Welcome! In this video we'll be unboxing Google Nest. So we'll start with cutting the gaps around here with the sharp knife. And now just cut around the corner like this. And the foil should be off like that. So now we can access the insides of the box by pulling this side down like this, and then we need to place it on this side so the picture will be in front of us, and open the case, and inside we can find the speaker. We can remove this and we'll find the instructions, I believe. And the charger. Let's first get that out. So it's the charger with this port out. And now we can access the instructions. So that's everything what's inside this box. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.